Hello and welcome back to another episode of STU'S Reviews. So today, we're going to take a look at the Mavic Air, specifically the APAS system that DJI have built into this. Now, if you haven't seen my full review, I'll leave a link in the description where you can check it out. But this review is just going to be for the APAS system. Now, what is APAS? Well, DJI have called it APAS because it stands for, hold on, it stands for, no, can't find it, Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems, APAS. Now, what does that mean? Well, basically, the idea is that these two sensors here, these sensors on the bottom and these two sensors on the back, all combine together with the camera and your controller to work out where things are in the environment. And what it does, instead of just stopping when it meets an object, it should go over or around the object of its own accord without you having to essentially do anything. Now, there's been a lot of YouTubers out there that have tested this against inanimate objects such as trees or buildings or anything like that. Well, I don't think that shows quite how good it is. So, I'm going to try out the APAS system right now using not an inanimate object. I'm going to use Ash. Now, Ash has his own YouTube channel called Maple Struggle, where he creates rap music videos and other kind of rap, hip-hop type content. So go and check him out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But for now, I'm going to see if the APAS system lets me murder my best friend. You ready, Ash? Right then, here it goes.
Come round and play the PlayStation, he said.
Now, I am going to fly this directly at Ash as fast as I can because I trust the system will work. So, there it goes. Oh, hold on. I'm going to go up a little bit more to the side, just so I'm going to line it up with Ash. There we go. Up a bit more, up a bit more. There we are, that's aimed right at his head now. So I'm going to fly this as fast as I can. APS is working. Well, it's actually stopping me from going into Ash. That's quite impressive. Okay. Well, for whatever reason, it's not flying around him. Why is it not? Stop right there. Now, there was one mistake I made, which was turning APAS on. I didn't realise that you actually have to turn this feature on. So if you're watching this video, this is how you turn it on. All you need to do is press this button on the left hand side, it will go blue, and APAS will turn on. Do you know what? It's a good thing though that the drone itself stopped before it hit Ash. So automatically it will stop and read objects in front of it, but it won't go around it, it will just stop motion. Don't tell Ash that I didn't realise it did that. Anyway, back to the review. With APS turned on this time. When enabled, aircraft will automatically bypass certain obstacles. Okay, so I'm going to enable APAS. So that was basically the obstacle stopping. Now it should just go around him. And look at that! Well, that's impressive, because all I was doing was pressing up on this. What if I bring it backwards? Oh, that's quite close. So I'm going to try that again. So recording good. Okay. Oh, no, that was up and down.
There's something horrific about this.
It's not the best of controlling this. Ready, Ash?
Oh God.
So no matter how hard I try, I cannot murder Ash with my Mavic Air. I wonder if I can hit myself with it. Hold on. No, it won't even. Come on. God, it just goes over the top of me. All I'm doing is holding this back. Well, I'm quite impressed with actually the obstacle avoidance of this. That is really quite cool. There we go. That is APAS. Am I impressed with how it performed? Absolutely. I think it's incredible. The fact that I could flow this at my friend and not kill him, I'm very, very impressed. Of course, it's an absolutely useless murder weapon, so if you intend to kill someone with it, this just won't do. You'll need something a bit better, like a big knife or something a bit more traditional. But moving back to the point, overall the APAS has exceeded my expectations. And that concludes my review of the APAS systems that DJI have built into the Mavic Air. Guys, if you like the video or you find it of help at all in any way, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, because it will really help me out. And it'll help you see more STU'S reviews. And I'll see you back for another episode soon.